Hindi ko na malayan yung oras. Alin, sir? Yung English? Sus, dito lang naman yan, sir, sa comment. Pero ang maganda lang, hindi naman bastos yung mga comment niya. Thank you, sir. Mag-YouTube ka na rin, sir, para isupport kita. Pwede kitang isupport sa watch hour mo. May ilan din akong account, pwede ko ring i-ano sa'yo. Para magkaroon ka rin ng dagdag na subscribers. Hindi, at least ano, respetado, kumbaga. Siguro, imagine ko yung gonggong na yun. Ay. Allah, what will happen? I don't know. I don't know if this one is okay or no. I don't know. It's not even stretchy. I will try. Ay, ganun ba, sir? Saglit lang po. Try ko lang yung ano ko, ha, yung pang. Try ko lang kung hindi na siya mag-ano kasi mahaba. Pwede ko na siyang isuot. Sana ba yun? I think I should do it. I think that's okay. Success! Okay na siya. Saglit lang po. Hello, mega love shout out. I just tried my pants. See? This one. I just tried it if it's okay. Because it's too long. Hello, Adil. How are you? Thank you so much for coming. I just tried my pant. I need to do the other side as well. Then kalas. Maybe I will not